If you're into trucks, you'll love this video that shows monstrous decks and extensions for them, some of which you won't believe exist. The Marlin Explorer 2 SXS deck offers a loading platform designed for trucks and ATVs, capable of handling equipment up to 4.2 meters long and 1.9 meters wide. With an impressive load capacity of 1,293 kilograms, these platforms provide an optimal driving experience and easy transportation of equipment. Priced at $3,300, they offer durability, functionality, and ease of use, making them an ideal choice for maximizing the utility of trucks and ATVs. If you like this, you'll want to see the next one. Loit lifts are the ultimate solution for transporting boats, kayaks, and heavy cargo with ease and safety. With a load capacity of 1,134 kilograms, these lifts can easily handle any sturdy piece of equipment. Standard versions offer the added benefit of allowing items to be stored in the truck bed while boats are being transported. For more specific needs, Loit's custom option Loaded can create the perfect lift. Loit is committed to providing innovative and reliable products that make every trip comfortable, safe, and exciting. Trusting Loit's lifts means protecting your equipment and being ready for action anywhere, anytime. Don't let limitations stop you. Elevate your adventures with Loit and discover a new level of freedom on the road and on the water. Yes, this one is fascinating, but the next invention will blow your mind. The Thule Helium XT bike carrier is the perfect solution for transporting bikes quickly and safely on your road trips. With capacity for 2 bikes up to 41 kilograms, it eliminates the hassle of removing wheels or loading on the roof. Its smart design allows access to the trunk without removing the bikes. It fits 26 to 29-inch wheels and includes cables and anti-theft locks. At $850, it provides a convenient and secure way to transport your bikes on adventures. Don't let the bike transportation hold you back. If you like this one, the next invention you should know about will be even better. Busy Dumper offers innovative kits to convert trucks into flexible dumpers. With a maximum capacity of 2.7 tons and multiple versions available, it's ideal for heavy-duty work. Priced at $464, it includes auxiliary taillights and labor to ensure seamless installation and reliable performance. With a box length of up to 2.4 meters, it fits a variety of vehicles, providing a customized solution for transportation and loading needs. It's a beauty, but you won't believe the next one because it's an engineering marvel. Want to add a touch of style and power to your truck? Massive exhaust pipes are the answer. At over 20 centimeters in diameter, these pipes are not only large, but also give your vehicle a bold and aggressive look. Made from drainage pipes, they showcase creativity and skill in design. In addition to their striking appearance, they enhance performance by increasing exhaust flow and adding a deep, resonant sound. Something that symbolizes quality, beauty, energy, and diameter. Just like this one, the next one is the same but taken a bit to the extreme for safety. Mobile Strong offers secure wheel well-mounted boxes that provide maximum protection for your firearms on the road. Designed for unbreakable security, they take advantage of unused space and don't interfere with vehicle functionality. Customizable options include lock code panels. With a capacity of up to 159 kilograms and a starting price of $1,085, they provide secure and organized storage. With the safety of your firearms at the forefront, Mobile Strong provides peace of mind while traveling. Don't compromise the safety of your firearms. Choose Mobile Strong to take your protection to the next level. We told you it was something big, but this next one is so good, it even has its own dance. Make room and organize your adventures with Tango. This system expands your platform for safety and convenience. Easy to install without drilling, it adapts to your active lifestyle with optional accessories. Designed specifically for the Ford Ranger at an incredible price of only $511. Maximize the utility of your vehicle without sacrificing comfort. Don't wait, take your travels to the next level with Tango. It's never enough. If you like this one and love heavy-duty stuff, this next product is really ambitious. Jeep Wrangler owners, take note. XG Cargo Gamma cargo bags are here to maximize the space in your vehicle without sacrificing comfort. Designed to fit on the roll bar, these bags offer a surprising capacity of up to 5.4 kilograms each without taking up much space. Made from durable nylon, they're sturdy and easy to clean after extreme adventures. Patented to ensure exclusivity and functionality at an affordable price of $190 per bag. Keep everything you need for your adventures organized and safe. Enhance your off-road experience with the XG Cargo Gamma and live life to the fullest. Speaking of X products, the next one is a wonder that leave you speechless. MVS introduces the Aero X Bonnet, a functional solution to improve truck aerodynamics. Designed to fit perfectly on the truck bed, the Aero X enhances practical aerodynamics and facilitates opening with integrated gas struts. With customization options such as a rear spoiler and sound system, buyers can personalize their truck. Initially available for the Ford F-150, expansion to other popular brands is planned. Priced competitively at $7,500, the Aero X offers advanced features and performance benefits that promote improved driving and personal style for truck owners. Well, at this point, only the monsters remain with impressive quality. Consider yourself warned. The Rancher bale bed system for trucks offers a very useful solution for farmers, facilitating the collection and transport of hay bales. In its latest improved version, it's 12% faster and ensures smooth and precise bale handling. In addition, its intelligent design allows for neat storage and easy handling in the field. With this system, farmers can maximize the productivity of their trucks, making them indispensable tools for their daily tasks in the field. This was different, right? The next one is even more inspiring. Great Day steps are the ideal solution for safety and easily accessing your vehicle or trailer. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, they're durable and sturdy, holding up to 136 kilograms for the compact version and 181 kilograms for the larger version. Surprisingly lightweight, they weigh approximately 7 kilograms and 13 kilograms respectively. The larger version includes handles for transport and a sleek design. Priced at $281 for the compact version, they offer an affordable solution without sacrificing quality or functionality. Improve your access today with Great Day stairs. You liked that, didn't you? And there's more to come, so relax and get ready for the excitement. Bedlock stands out as the first adjustable divider system for trucks, offering a practical solution for organized cargo in the truck bed. With specialized tiles and customizable spaces, users can easily configure the space to fit their needs. Despite initial challenges on Kickstarter, the company persevered and now offers custom kits for $499. Although the initial response was modest, the company's determination has led to continuous production on demand. As more and more drivers see the benefits, Bedlock is setting a new standard in truck bed organization. If this is quality, you haven't seen anything yet, because the next one will be even better. Let's talk Rover King. It's the answer. Designed for the Jeep Gladiator and Toyota Tacoma, it turns your vehicle into a home on wheels. With beds for 3 to 4 people and a functional dining area, it maximizes space and comfort. Its thermal insulation allows you to travel year-round, regardless of the weather. The premium package offers solar panels, LED lighting, and more for any situation. At an affordable $15,400, you get lasting value. Prepare for your adventure with the Rover King and experience freedom on the road. Don't wait to discover a new level of exploration. See, it's amazing, but the next one will amaze you even more. Looking for a practical and affordable solution for your vehicle? Look no further. Tailgate Upgrade Kit for $2,150. It converts your tailgate into a ramp in seconds, making it easy to load and unload heavy items up to 37.5 kilograms. Folding select option for more cargo space. Simplify your loading experience and take everything you need with you on your adventures. Upgrade your vehicle today. Absolute quality, and there's more to come. Deck is a leader in truck storage thanks to its strength and adaptability. Its system protects it from the elements and allows activities such as washing bicycles on it without damaging stored items. With a 97-kilogram load capacity, it's ideal for transporting tools and sports equipment safely and comfortably. Though its $1,500 price tag isn't the most economical, its quality and durability justify it for those who value the protection of their belongings. Deck redefines truck storage with its innovative design and promises to be the gold standard in the market. If this is quality, the next one will blow you away. Humbra Firefly is the perfect solution for beach, picnic, and outdoor adventures. Innovative design combines umbrella and canopy for 10.7 square meters of sun and rain protection. Quickly sets up in seconds, 360-degree shade adjustment. It's wind resistant up to 11 meters per second and attaches to cars. Price $995. Enjoy the great outdoors with peace of mind. After this masterpiece, the next one is just as crazy. Cowtown sleepers are the perfect solution for road rest. The Roadrunner version transforms your truck into a comfortable shelter in seconds. The ingeniously designed capsule houses 190.5 centimeter long bed to recharge on the road. Durable and sturdy materials ensure a restful night's sleep. Starting at $3,900, invest in your comfort on the road. No more uncomfortable nights in the cabin. Make every trip a relaxing one. Get yours today and take your travel to the next level of comfort. Speaking of beauty and comfort, the next one will take it away from you, but only because you have to get up to appreciate it. Attention adventurers and organization lovers, if you're looking to maximize space in your truck, we have the perfect solution, an innovative storage box that attaches to the tailgate. Its smart design optimizes space for cables, first aid kits, tools, and more without compromising the functionality of the bed. You can even add LED strips for nighttime visibility. For just $595, keep your essentials organized and accessible while you travel. Stop wasting time looking for tools. Upgrade your truck organization with this convenient and affordable solution.